How to change location on Snapchat maps, we're gonna learn in this video. Firstly, go to Play Store and install this application Fake GPS Location. After the installation, just open it. And now we're gonna set this app as mock location app inside the developer settings. Go to settings. Firstly, you're gonna make sure that the developer options are enabled on your phone. Let's enter the developer options. Scroll down here, we're gonna find one option here called mock location app. This one here, select mock location app. And we're gonna select the application Fake GPS as the mock location app. Once it's done, go back to Fake GPS app. Now you can set any location from here. Let me put my location to Fuzhou in China. Tap on the start button. Now the mock location has started and we're gonna wait for some time. After a while, you're gonna go to Snapchat. Go to Snapchat map. Now if you tap on the current location button, it shows that I'm in Fuzhou, China. But there's one very important thing that you have to consider. You're just gonna make sure that you have allowed the Snapchat to access the device location. Also make sure that the location button is turned on here. Let me pick any other place inside the Fake GPS app. Let's put it in Manila, Philippines. Start. Wait for some time. Now go to Snapchat, go to Maps, tap on current location button. And it has changed your location to Manila in Philippines. So we have learned how we can change the location in Snapchat map. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel.